Birds are dying. Happiness. Filming my favorites for the month, and I talked about a lot of things. Jesus. My favorite moment is turning the AC back on when I'm done filming, because I have to turn it off to film because they're exposed. Very, very loud. I think my parents are coming over in a little bit. Dexter doesn't deal very well with the heat when I turn the AC off. And yes. In other news, there's a red bird in my backyard that I've showed you guys before. He's back, and I'm gonna try to be really stealth because I really want you guys to see him because he's just the cutest thing ever. Do you see him in all his glory? Okay, I'm gonna try to walk over there. I don't know what he's doing, but I think he's looking at me. Yep, definitely looking at me. Definitely gonna fly away. He comes literally every day. Is he like trying to breathe because it's so hot outside? He looks like he's panting, doesn't he? Oh my god, poor thing. She's probably dying. I should put a little fountain or something. I want to get a bird bath. I'm gonna tell Roger right now. No bird is gonna be panting in my backyard on my watch, okay?
What's up?
I want to get a bird bath for the backyard.
A bird bath? What is that?
Like a place for birds to come and take a bath.
No.
Yes, you know why? Because I just saw a bird almost die on our fence.
Why?
Heat exhaustion.
That bird's an idiot. He can get shade anywhere he wants.
No, that poor thing was dying.
What an idiot.
It's just a little shallow thing that you can empty out whenever you want.
Oh, you mean a mosquito bath? No thanks.
No, the birds are dying.
Unless it's running water and it runs all the time, I don't want it. Because mosquitoes will just chill there.
Alright, just had to tell you because the bird almost died right in front of my eyes.
Alright.
But he has a point. So this package came from NARS, and it's meant to be like a lipstick. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. I'm usually not into like exaggerated packaging. I'm still not into it, honestly, because what am I gonna do with this? But I think it's cool. And the shades are actually really pretty. Like, I want to show you guys some of my favorites. I'm really into like orangey, kind of reddish shades. And this one is called Heat Wave. Obviously nudes. These are 3 nudes that I like. This one is more of like an orangey color. This one is called Morocco. This one is Honolulu Honey and blonde Venue. And I'm usually not that into like regular deep reds, but this one's like a brick red. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but it's like a brick sort of red in person. Shanghai Express. And then this one, which is Casablanca, which is another like orangey color. I tried on one of the new shades. I don't even know which one. The orangey one. Guys, NARS has one of the best lipstick formulas, and I'm so picky when it comes to lipstick formulas because you guys know that my lips are extremely dry. I really like the M Cosmetics ones. These are the glosses or the lip clouds. Amazing formula. I put on the shade Casablanca. This is like my favorite color ever for like a wearable orange. Very good to transition into fall. Yeah, just wanted to do a check-in. I'm eating and I'm still waiting for my parents. I can already tell he's gonna be so comfortable. So I have this situation on top of my refrigerator because I don't have a pantry. The only drawer that I have is like right below my microwave. This holds like a bunch of canned food and pasta and all that. That's basically my pantry. So I got these containers from Bed Bath & Beyond. They're the OXO Good Grips. I just got this one, which was like 50 bucks for all of these. And then I got two of the bigger ones aside from that for cereal and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean them really quick. I already cleaned this one. Clean them really quick and then organize this mess that I have on top of my refrigerator. Oh, this is a separate container that I just found at Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm gonna put my oatmeal in here. So I need to buy a couple more for some other things that I'm missing, but guys, this gives me so much peace and joy. The container that I bought for the oatmeal was actually too small, so I had to use another one for extra oatmeal, but happiness. It's already the first of the month. Time is just flying on by. I'm going to get my hair cut today. I don't have any product in my hair, so I look like Hagrid, but I want to kind of cut it like a lot shorter. I have a lot of new growth over here, so my hair's just uneven everywhere, and I don't know, I just kind of want to cut it like up to here. And another thing is that I don't diffuse my hair. I don't really do a whole lot to it anymore, so I don't want to have like having longer hair is just more of a mission, but we'll see. Just waiting for my appointment in the car because it's raining. Of course it is, because every time that Gemary leaves the house, she rarely leaves the house, but when she does, the world has to be ending outside because that's just the way that life works. So yes. So this is the finished result. I do not like how they styled it because they used like a different gel than the one they normally use, but yes, feels a lot healthier, a lot more voluminous. I love it. Aside from how they styled it, because I don't know, it looks a little weird. I think after cutting it like one more time, it'll be completely even, but she evened a lot out. So once or twice a year, I get bougie candles. And I made my yearly purchase. These are the two that I got. Someone got a new toy. Yeah, Grandma got you a new toy. Are you excited about it? You're so excited. Oh my goodness. I just finished eating breakfast. I'm making myself some Cuban coffee because it's just one of those days where, or should I say it's one of those weeks where I just need something strong. I've just been feeling like, I don't know. I get into these like little funks. I feel like everybody does at least once a year, and for me it's definitely like when summer's ending, that's when I get into like it's like, I don't know, a weird mood, like a very like it takes a lot more effort for me to like get things done and feel good. My god, this is like taking a turn for like a very dramatic day, but it's been one of those weeks, which is why I haven't really been picking up my camera, because I don't like to film myself when I don't feel like, oh, there's a squirrel. Gross. Gross. Do push-ups. Oh my god. He just did that on command. Dropped their camera last night and broke the screen. I mean, it's not completely broken, but I can't close it all the way. But whatever. Taking care of my mom's dog again. and haven't slept in like 2 days because she likes to wake up at like 6 a.m. Bella. Is she annoying you, buddy? Is she being really annoying? Excuse me. Siéntate. Good girl. I'm in my robe. It's Sunday. I wanted to show you guys my plants because I feel like I haven't updated you guys on like my backyard plants in a long time. And those of you that are like OG vlog watchers, if any of you are still out there, you'll see like, you know, the growth of my plants. Does anybody care about this? So every time that it rains, my backyard gets full of leaves everywhere, which is really annoying because we'll clean it and then it'll rain literally like moments later and this happens. But yeah, I'll clean that later. But this is my aloe plant. This is another like succulent plant. This doesn't go there. And then I don't know if you guys remember when we planted all of these little trees because I want them to just look at what Dexter does to my fence. Like, this is the story of my life. I can't have anything nice here. But yeah, the idea is to just have this wrap all the way. And I did plant these in like in between every one of these sticks, but this one just grew and the other ones kind of just stayed small. You see, we got one over here and they're thriving, baby. Haven't updated you guys on this monster in a long time. So I really need to clean my backyard. I'll eventually do like a backyard tour when my backyard isn't a hot mess, but I really need to trim this guy because he is kind of invading my house now. This is what happens when you love your plants, guys. It's not flowering that much right now, but she's growing. I think it's because it's raining every single day and they don't really like that much rain, I don't think. So she's not like as pretty as she usually is. I was getting ready to leave and the weather said, I think not. It's raining right now. And Roger, first of all, he's getting extreme. He doesn't know how to open the umbrella. Con gana! Click it! The button.
Oh, there's a button.
Oh my god.
It's different.
Babe, you're getting all wet. Use it on your... Jesus Christ.
It's good out here. It's good.
That was a successful run we had.
Yeah.
We left the house for 2 seconds. We had to turn around. I'll insert the flood picture right now. I was right outside our house. That car had to stop because there was a flood. So Dexter's excited that we're back. The one free day I have to run, look at my hair. The one free day I have to run errands. Can't leave the house. Welcome to Miami. Lovely place we live in. The wind knocked down my beautiful cactus, which was thriving. A bunch of its arms broke, which I threw away. I'm gonna have to cut it a little because it's too tall and I have to repot it. So in the meantime, I have to cut it, otherwise it's gonna keep falling. I think it was my last vlog. We bought these and now is when I'm potting them. I know, it took me forever, but I was trying to find pots like this and I didn't find them anywhere, and today I just literally like walked into Home Depot and saw 3 of them just sitting there. The only 3 just sitting there. I love them. I don't even know if I told you guys about how we moved our hot tub. It used to be over here. This is a mess, but it used to be over here and we moved it to this corner, which used to be a sitting area with my fire pit and all that. We just moved it over here. I also got a lemon tree, which I need to take care of next. I have a little lemon coming in strong. And we moved our fire pit over here, which is, it's currently like destroyed because of all the rain and stuff, and it's not getting utilized, so we have like little plants on it for now. This is what I look like after potting plants. I have dirt on my shirt. I practically took a shower with the hose because I was full of dirt. But yeah, my backyard needs a lot of work still. We do things little by little back here because I've focused more on, please look at my hair. Cute. I focus more on the inside, so I try to do things back here little by little. That's why I don't have like good furniture back here. Everything's kind of getting destroyed because of the rain. Backyards, you really have to invest in things, otherwise it just gets destroyed. Everything gets destroyed, especially with all the rain and the crazy heat. When we do get furniture for back here, I want it to be good quality so that we can just take it with us wherever we move to next. So yeah, I need to paint this wall. I need to paint our floor. That is all. It might rain, might not, who knows. Let's do a time lapse, shall we? For their 25th anniversary, what is this? This little hair is cute. Hurry up.
It's good.
100% addicted to coffee. I've been trying to detox from it, and it's not going well.
Welcome to Miami. We're stuck here. Hate this place. My ideal situation. Oh, my garbage cans. Yeah. Catch you guys on the flip side.